Okay, so here I've got the lav mic plugged into the receiver and the boom mic above my head. Good foot or so. La 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 la. Let me unplug this lav mic for a second. Now we are using just the boom mic. La da 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 da. How does that sound? We'll see if it sounds better without the lav. I do not know. Plugging it back in. Alright, now we're using both again. La da 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 dow. I've got the boom mic set to -10. And then cranked up to about 50 dB gain here. And I've got the lav mic set to 28.5 and 50.5 for the boom. So la da 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 bow ba da bow. I'm hitting in some yellow when I get loud on the boom. I'm staying green on the lav. So, maybe I should checkity check there. Maybe I just don't want it as loud because I usually prefer the boom, but we'll see. La 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 la.